Rooibos tea is one of those underrated wellness drinks that quietly delivers a lot of benefits without the hype. If you're looking for something naturally caffeine-free, rich in antioxidants, and gentle on your body, this herbal tea might be exactly what you need. Let's break it down in a simple, practical way so you can understand what it is, why people call it a superfood, and how to actually use it in your daily life. Rooibos tea is an herbal infusion made from the leaves of the Aspalathus linearis plant, which grows exclusively in South Africa, particularly in the Cedarburg region. Unlike green or black tea, Rooibos doesn't come from the Camellia sinensis plant, so it's naturally caffeine-free. The leaves are harvested, fermented, and dried to create that distinctive reddish-brown color and slightly sweet, earthy flavor. There's also green Rooibos, which is less processed and has a lighter taste with even higher antioxidant levels. Because it's been used for generations in South African culture, Rooibos isn't a trendy new product. It's a time-tested, traditional drink that's ready for laughs, now gaining global recognition. Rooibos tea may look simple, but it's packed with beneficial compounds that make it stand out. Some of its key nutrients and compounds include antioxidants like aspalathin and quercetin. Polyphenols help reduce inflammation. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, and iron. Fluoride and manganese support bone and dental health. What makes Rooibos especially unique is aspalathin, a rare antioxidant that's not commonly found in other foods or drinks. This compound plays a big role in its health-promoting effects. Because of this powerful antioxidant profile and the fact that it's caffeine-free, low in tannins, and easy on digestion, Rooibos is often labeled a superfood tea. Rooibos doesn't contain caffeine, so it won't give you that quick spike and crash feeling. Instead, it supports steady energy by reducing oxidative stress, supporting better sleep, which improves energy overall, and helping your body function more efficiently. If you're sensitive to caffeine or trying to cut back on coffee, Rooibos is a great alternative. The antioxidants in Rooibos help your body fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation, which is key for a strong immune system. Regular consumption may support your body's natural defenses, reduce inflammation linked to chronic illness, help your body recover faster from stress or illness. It's not a magic cure, but it can be a helpful addition to a balanced lifestyle. Rooibos is often used in skincare products, and for good reason. Its antioxidants may help reduce signs of aging, like fine lines, improve skin hydration, calm irritated or sensitive skin, support collagen health. Drinking it regularly, or even using cooled Rooibos topically, can support clearer, healthier-looking skin. Rooibos contains plant compounds that may have mild hormone balancing effects, especially for women. Some research suggests it may help reduce stress hormones like cortisol, support hormonal balance during PMS or menopause, ease symptoms like mood swings or fatigue. Again, it's not a replacement for medical treatment, but it can be a gentle, supportive addition. If you're dealing with stress or anxiety, Rooibos can be surprisingly helpful. Because it is caffeine-free, so it won't overstimulate your nervous system, it contains calming compounds and supports better sleep quality. It can help promote a more relaxed, balanced mood. Think of it as a calming ritual as much as a health drink. Rooibos isn't a cure for diseases, but it may support overall wellness in people dealing with mild anxiety or stress, sleep issues, especially related to caffeine, sensitivity, digestive discomfort, skin conditions like acne or eczema, high oxidative stress or inflammation, PMS or mild hormonal imbalances. The key word here is support. It works best as part of a healthy lifestyle, not as a standalone solution. One of the best things about Rooibos is how easy it is to use. Tea bags, most common. Loose leaf tea. Powder for smoothies or lattes. Ready-to-drink bottled versions. How to prepare. Boil water. Add 1 tea bag or 1-2 teaspoons of loose Rooibos. Steep for 5-10 minutes. Longer equals stronger flavor. Enjoy hot or cold. Simple tips. Add milk or plant milk for a creamy Rooibos latte. Sweeten naturally with honey or dates. Combine with cinnamon or vanilla for extra flavor. Drink before bed as a calming ritual. Dosage. There's no strict dosage, but most people drink 1 to 3 cups per day for general benefits. Because it's caffeine-free and low in tannins, it's safe to enjoy throughout the day. Rooibos is generally considered very safe, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Allergies are rare, but possible. Stop if you notice any unusual reactions. If you have hormone-sensitive conditions, check with a healthcare provider. In very high amounts, it may affect liver enzymes, rare and usually linked to excessive intake. Always choose high-quality, organic Rooibos when possible. For most people, moderate daily consumption is completely safe and beneficial. Rooibos tea is one of those simple, natural habits that can quietly upgrade your health. It supports your body without overstimulating it, nourishes you with antioxidants, and fits easily into your daily routine. You don't need complicated supplements or extreme diets. Sometimes, something as simple as a cup of tea can make a real difference over time. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to coffee or sugary drinks, start with Rooibos tea today. Try it for a week and notice how your body feels, your energy, your sleep, your mood. And if you want more simple, effective wellness tips like this, make sure to follow along. Small habits create big results.